Hey, it's Tom Z with Traction Real Estate Mentors, and in this quick video, I want to talk about how low is too low. Keep it rolling and stay tuned. I just wrapped up my one-day rapid cash generator masterclass at the New Orleans RIA, and a very good question came up from one of the attendees. She asked me, she said, well, how low is too low? How low should I start my starting offer when I'm negotiating with the seller, when I'm opening up and starting a negotiation? You know what my answer was? Go a lot lower than you think. You should be embarrassingly low. You should start so low that you actually are positive that they're going to say no. Because think about it, if you flip that around, the problem is, what if they say yes? If they say yes to your first offer, what's the first thought in your mind? You think, oh, wait a minute, I wonder how much lower they would have gone. If they jumped at your first offer, that's actually a problem, because you'll lie awake at night forever wondering how much lower they would have gone. So the answer to how low do you need to start with is always start lower than you think. Always be a little embarrassed about how low you're going. Because worst comes to worst, oh, they get a little mad at you. Worst comes to worst, they hang up. Some guy said, well, what if they cuss me out? What if they cuss me out? So what? They cuss you out. You still made a lower offer, and you know that that was at the rock bottom, because if they jumped, if they said yes, you're forever stuck wondering how much lower they would have gone. That is my negotiation tip for today. Go ahead and share this video with other people, and I look forward to seeing you at an event soon. It's Tom Z for Traction Real Estate Mentors from New Orleans. Talk to you later.